All right, next will be the screw slider block. So if we look at this annotated drawing, we can see, what do we need? We need a regular hexagon on the bottom, and then we also need a 0.177 through hole. So and that is drilled from the top. So let's look at how we're going to do this. So let's come over here to Fusion, and let's start by putting a sketch on that face. Let's create a point and plop that point just arbitrarily on there, and let's dimension that location. So the distance is in the middle, will be 0.875, 875 thousandths, and it'll also be in the middle horizontally, which is 367 thousandths. Okay, we'll go ahead and finish the sketch. Use the hole tool, and let's see, we need a simple hole that is distance through all and the diameter of 177 thousandths, 0.177. Go ahead and say okay, so that's through all. Now the other thing we want to have is on the bottom side, we want a hexagonal cutout. So we'll go ahead and do a sketch on the bottom of that. I'm going to go ahead, let's see if this will grab that geometry automatically. If I grab the polygon tool, it will. When I hover, I get a blue circle for the center point of the circle. So I grab the polygon tool, and we'll just go ahead and draw a polygon. We got a couple things to do to fully constrain that. We want to make it, let's see, they got the points going, let's see, they got the points going point to point how it is now, basically now, so I'm going to make that horizontal. And then, let's see, what is the distance? The distance across flats. So then if I do D for dimension, distance across the flats of the hexagon, and I'm in a tool here, sketch dimension, didn't pick up on my keyboard for some reason. Distance across the flats is 386 thousandths. 0.386, okay, and then that's a depth of 255 thousandths. So I'll go ahead and finish my sketch, and then we'll do a cut extrusion. So instead of a new body or joining, we'll go ahead and cut, and the distance would be a negative 0.255. We say okay, and there we go, there's the screw slider. Make sure you save the file. That was easy.